Meet Mom and her 7 kids. Just one of 4 new raccoon families to visit our backyard this season. The others are Mom plus 3, Mom plus 4, and we have one that's Mom plus 5. All have learned that if I open the back door, it's because their bowl is about to be refilled. The kids will scatter into the garage, and Mom will hide somewhere nearby in the backyard, all quickly returning when I go back inside the house. But this time I took a different track, sat down on the back porch steps and waited. Within a minute or so, all cautiously returned to the bowl, and in less than a minute ignored my presence just 2 feet away as I started filming them.